In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure the upgrade feature called Escalation Management. The function affects all locations in your account equally. You can set up individual escalation levels for expired, failed, and deviating tasks. It is best to set up escalation levels for expired tasks first. These are often the biggest challenges for proper Haccp documentation. Define the first escalation level by specifying after how many days it should take effect. Add up to 3 additional levels. Each level is calculated exactly from the time a task has expired. It is also possible to hide irregularities in the Issues section after a certain number of days. Tasks that have not been processed by those responsible in the last 30 days are now automatically removed from the Issues section and can no longer be marked as solved. This allows you to maintain a clear and structured overview of the various stages of task completion. On the tiles in the Location overview, you can see which level a company is in. In the Issue section, you get a detailed view of how many tasks are at the various escalation levels on a particular day. The decisive factor here is the time at which a task has failed, which is why 2 escalation stages can sometimes be displayed simultaneously on one day. In the calendar and in reports, hidden issues are displayed in red as expired. However, these issues can be displayed again and then marked as resolved by deactivating the Hide in the Issue section option. Please note that recalculations on location tiles and in the Issue section can take several minutes. Escalation levels motivate store managers to react to irregularities at an early stage and allow a fair comparison of all locations. District managers can use the escalation level reports to obtain full transparency about the current number of tasks per level. The report is also frequently used for company-wide target agreements.